Ready?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Zach Jump. This is my partner, Carter Bushnell, and we're presenting the modified Tesla pump design. To start out, the Tesla pump has been revisited. It was an invention by Nikola Tesla that used the boundary layer effect, which says for a moving surface, the fluid velocity at the surface is equal to the velocity of the surface. So we spent a lot of time designing. We've got this initial prototype here. We're going to recreate out of metal to be used on this 5 horsepower motor, 4,200 RPM. We spent a lot of time designing a method to couple the shaft to the disc pump itself, as well as designing a housing for this to go into optimize that volume design. So we don't have results yet because we are still manufacturing this absolute pile of metal.
You got some parts though. So I got 2 designs, right? So we got one design. This one's going to be shaftless. So the water will enter through here and then it'll be shot outward. And then this one's going to have a shaft in the middle and then the water will enter through there. Then we'll have shoulder bolts holding them all together, like this design. And then this is the one with the fingers. And then otherwise we're going to have washers there for the ones without the fingers.
So what we are testing is 4 designs. The first design down here is the shaftless design with impeller blades. The next design is the shafted blade with impellers, and then we'll do those 2 again without impellers and compare the results. So manufacturing hurdles in this is doing the water jet to make these discs. We programmed 20,000 lines of water jet G code.
Yeah, that was a lot.
Went through 125 kilograms of garnet abrasive, and we were standing in the metal shop for 9 hours machining straight.
Yep. We couldn't take our eyes off.
Yeah.
Because it kept jamming.
So next steps in this project is to machine out this big old housing down here using a 4-inch end mill. Manufacture the ends on the disc stack, and then we've got to manufacture the shafts here to couple everything.
And then we coupler, we also got to change. Got one.
And then at that point, we're going to use an Arduino Mega as our data acquisition system for the pump.
And then we'll have like pressure transducers and stuff so we can track the performance of the pump, and then we should be able to graph it once we have all the data. So it'll be nice and easy to read.
So that is our modified Tesla pump at this point. And we're expecting results by the end of the quarter.
Yeah.
Awesome, guys.